Number 1. PriorityChef Knife Sharpener. This manual knife sharpener comes at a bargain price and will sharpen both straight and serrated knives. Not only does it sharpen knives for instant sharpness, it does so in a way that they stay sharp for longer. It has 2 wheels, a coarse diamond-coated one that will shapen your knife to a double-edge finish, while the second wheel hones the knife to improve any small imperfections. Users love this tool because it gets the job done and doesn't take up a lot of real estate in the kitchen. Number 2. Lansky Deluxe 5 Stone Sharpening System. This sharpener includes 5 different sharpening stones along with a knife clamp that holds the knife during sharpening and a guide that allows you to select the proper blade angle. Honing oil is also included. The stones have finger grips for a secure hold and are color-coded so you know which are coarser and which are finer. Unlike traditional whetstones, with this system, the knife remains still while you move the stones along the blade. This manual system allows you to sharpen knives at 4 different angles but requires some practice to become comfortable with the technique. Number 3. Chef's Choice Trizor 15 EdgeSelect Knife Sharpener. This sharpener is easy to use and robust enough to convert your 20-degree knives to a higher performance 15-degree angle with 2 levels. Spring guides automatically adjust the angle of the knife, making it simple for anyone to use. It has 3 different stages for perfect sharpening. This sharpener can be used for both straight and serrated knives. The first time this sharpener is used on a knife, it will take a bit longer since it's cutting a new edge angle. Subsequent sharpenings will take much less time. Number 4. Presto Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. This sharpener can be used on metal knives of any thickness, from thin fillet knives to thicker chef's knives and cleavers. The interchangeable blade guides hold the blades at your choice of 3 different sharpening angles, and a slider lets you choose thick, medium, or thin blades. The sharpener creates a slight serration on the edge of the blade that results in a super sharp edge. It might take a short while to get the technique of pulling knives through the sharpener perfected, but then it's simple to use. This cannot be used to sharpen ceramic knives. Number 5. Wusthof 10 inches Knife Sharpening Steel with Loop. Technically, a sharpening steel doesn't sharpen a knife, it actually hones or straightens the fine edge that gets bent during use, which makes the knife seem dull. That bending isn't visible to the naked eye, but it still affects the way the knife cuts. This steel has an easy to hold handle and loop for hanging, or it might fit in your knife block. This steel is magnetic, so it collects any metal dust created during the process. Knives should be honed regularly. This steel is also available in shorter and longer lengths.